Okay, we are going to create a truth table for a specific statement. In this case, A and the complement or the opposite of B or C. Now, there's a lot of things that can happen, but there are specifically three statements involved, A, B, and C. And A can be true or false, B can be true or false, C can be true or false. To create the pattern of alternating true and false that show all the possible ways that these statements can exist and have that match up with the way the book does it, start with the third one and just alternate true, false, true, false, true, false, true, false, true, false, true. I think we're missing one. We need another false. And then do a double alternation for B. True, true, false, false, true, true, false, false. And then do a 4-time alternation for A. So true, 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 false, 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 false. And in this way, you can get all the possibilities. So for example, they can all be true, or they can all be false. If there's one false, it can happen in C or B or A. If there are one true, it can happen in A or B or C. Every possible situation is here. And in this alternation, you can just kind of start with the third one and then do every other alternation and then go to B and do every double alternation and then every 4-time alternation. And then if there was another letter, that would be every 8-time alternation. And then you realize you have to keep the patterns going down until that 8-time alternation has a chance to do its thing. All right, now we take a look at, in order to get to this, we want to work out like that one. That's what I've chosen here. And then the opposite of it, and then the and. So first off, B or C. The ors are almost always true. You just have to have one true to make it true. So if we look at B and C, we're looking for one true. That one definitely has a true. This one has a true. This one has a true. Now these are both false. That didn't make it false. So for the ors, at least one true makes true. Lots of truths, a true, a true. Oh, no truths. That one's false. Okay, next up, the complement or the opposite of. Well, the opposite of, that's just what was T turns into F. So now I'm looking at this column and just doing the opposite. T, T, T turns into F, F, F. F turns into T. T, T, T turns into F, F, F. And F turns into T. Okay, nice. Next up, we're doing A and not B or C. With the and symbol, if there's a false, the answer is false. So in our first one, T and F, oh, there's an F, false. The next one, T and F, there's an F, false. The next one, T and F, there's an F, false. The next one, T and T, there's no F, that's true. Next one, there's an F. There's an F, there's an F, and finally in the last one, there's an F. So when you're doing the or, if there's a T, the answer's T. If you're doing the and, if there's an F, the answer's F. And then the not, or the complement, or the opposite of, just swap them. If it was T, change to F. If it was F, change to T. And in this way, we can fill out the truth table for that statement. I hope this makes sense.